Hey, I'm Rob the Car Guy with Kindred Automotive, and I'm going to tell you how the way you adjust your mirrors may be creating bigger blind spots. Back when I was Rob the Car teenager, I had a driving instructor that taught me the correct way to adjust my mirrors. I actually thought everybody did it, but most people don't know the proper way to adjust your mirrors, and it creates blind spots, massive blind spots, big enough to hide Grandma in her station wagon. You go to change lanes and you don't know she's there. The mistake most people make is to adjust their mirrors with just the tiniest little sliver of the back of their car visible in the lower corner. It's kind of like a comfort thing, like your childhood blankie or the thought that Social Security will still be around in 40 years. Now, if this is how you adjust your mirrors, you're actually creating a giant blind spot, one large enough to hide an entire car. There's a simple trick you can use to readjust your mirrors so that a car can't be hiding in your blind spot. Now, you're actually still going to adjust your mirrors the same way, but you're going to lean all the way against your driver's window before you do it. Maybe not all the way. You're actually going to adjust the mirror the same way with the side of your vehicle visible in the lower corner. But when you lean back to your normal position, you've actually pushed your mirror into what used to be your blind spot. Now adjust your passenger mirror the same way, but don't lean into the passenger window, just lean over the center console. Adjust the mirror so that the sliver of your vehicle is visible in the lower corner, and when you lean back, your mirror will also be in what used to be your blind spot. Now, if you've done this correctly, you will no longer be able to see your car in either of your mirrors, but you know where the sides of your car are. It's more important to know what's in those blind spots. The cool thing about adjusting your mirrors this way is you really can't lose a vehicle. Once a car starts leaving your rear view mirror, it's going to pop into your side view mirror. Once it starts leaving your side view mirror, it's going to pop into your peripheral vision. There's really no spot that a car can pass you where it's not visible. Try readjusting your mirrors using this method for a few weeks and see what you think. It's a lot safer to be able to see all of the vehicles that are around you. So if you think that you know anyone else that's not adjusting their mirrors properly, send them this video and see what they think. And if you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our channel. We have new videos that come out every single week. I'm Rob the Car Guy with Kindred Automotive. We'll see you next time. Hey, I'm Rob. There's a simple trick so that, yeah, not all the way. All right.